In illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All-Party Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned the nefarious designs of Modi-led fascist Indian government to destroy cultural, social, educational, demographic and economic fabric of the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar today, expressed deep concern over the ill treatment meted out to the Kashmiri students at Atari border and Delhi airport by the Indian authorities. The statement deplored that the students were denied to travel to Pakistan despite having valid travel documents, which is a brazen violation of Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted by United Nations General Assembly in 1948. The spokesman stressed the urgent need for addressing the long-pending Kashmir dispute in the light of United Nations resolutions to safeguard life, liberty and honor of the subjugated Kashmiri people. Meanwhile, All Parties Hurriyat Conference, during a meeting of its Majlis-e-Shura in Srinagar, condemned the genocide of Kashmiris by the occupational Indian troops. The meeting was presided over by APHC Working Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar. The meeting called on international human rights bodies to force India to end grave human rights violations in Jammu and Kashmir. Pertinent to mention here that human rights watchdog Amnesty International, in yet another report issued a few days ago, castigated India for violating human rights in its illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The report said that clampdown on civil liberties, restrictions on communication services, and imposition of harsh media blackout is on after fascist Modi government revoked the special status of occupied territory. The report also mentioned in detail about how the criminal fascist elements in India, by the virtue of government, enjoy being scot-free and how ill treatment was meted out to the Indians during their protests against controversial citizenship and farming laws. Meanwhile, Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir-based media bodies have unanimously voiced concern over the statement of IG Police Vijay Kumar, wherein he had warned media persons against covering cordon and search operations. A statement jointly issued by 12 media bodies said the top corp's dictate has caused anguish among the media fraternity. They termed the statement a tactic to coerce journalists into not reporting facts. IGP had issued written directions to all SSPs to take legal action in case any media person arrives at the site of cordon and search operation. Rights defender Mohammad Ahsan Onto, while reacting to the IGP's statement, said that New Delhi has already stopped journalists from operating freely in the territory. Heads and representatives of leading religious and social organizations under the banner of Muttahida Majlis-e-Ulama addressing media in Srinagar urged the authorities to release Hurriyat Forum chairman Mirwais Umar Farooq. On the other hand, the Azad Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly has unanimously adopted a resolution declaring Pakistan as the ultimate destiny of Kashmiri people. In its session held in Muzaffarabad, the resolution passed by the House said Kashmiri people want accession of the entire state to Pakistan. The House demanded peaceful settlement of the long-standing Kashmir dispute in accordance with the United Nations Security Council resolutions and wishes of Kashmiri people. Meanwhile, a protest rally organized under the aegis of Pasbani Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir at Atmokam in Neelam Valley, Azad Jammu and Kashmir today against the killing of youth and other human rights violations perpetrated by Indian troops in illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir.